Bahamas Welding and Fire received financing to grow its operations from the Bahamas Development Bank. The company has gone on to play a pivotal role in health and safety, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Like other businesses supported by the Development Bank, BWF continues to grow its brand and economic impact.
The company Bahamas Welding Fire, better known as BWF, provide vital products to this community, not only the community itself, the entire Bahamas. And the main product that we provide is that of medical and industrial gases, being oxygen, which is supplied to the Princess Margaret Hospital, all the surrounding clinics, the doctors' facilities as well, and also the acetylene and the oxygen that are supplied to the welders. The company started in July of 1972. It was started by one individual by the name of Alfonso Robert Elliott. At the time was employed by Bahamas Industrial Gases, which is a company that was in the market of providing medical and industrial gases as well. And it started, surprisingly, not with medical industrial gas, it started with fire extinguishers. And as a result of that, the company began to grow, and he moved into his own building, a rented building actually, and started the supply of acetylene and oxygen, which was being bottled and supplied to the various welders before we start getting into the market of supplying the oxygen to medical facilities. The process from in getting the funding from Bahamas Development Bank was very easy. In order to move to the next level, the funding itself was not in place. And at that time, the bank itself was heavily involved with getting young businesses, particularly those in industry. And Bahamas Welding and Fire at that time was considered a company that was in the business of manufacturing the oxygen and other acetylene as well. And therefore, we were able to take advantage of the exemption as it relates to industrial companies or companies that were manufacturing products locally. And as a result of that, we were able to really take a huge leap in getting into the market a big way. I would certainly say, especially as of today, and from where I sit and my background knowledge in terms of funding from Bahamas Development Bank, I would say any entrepreneur, right, who is prepared to take the risk, these institutions are prepared to hold your hand, right, and take you to the next level. The main thing is you got to be patient, you have to be consistent, and you have to be dedicated, because it may take 6 or 7 years to get where you think that company ought to get. In some cases, you may be lucky in the first 3 or 5 years, right, to be a very, very profitable entity. But it will take time, it will take discipline.